Welcome to 12 Days of Holiday Baking. Today we are going to be making the Copycat Starbucks Ginger Molasses Cookie. I am telling you guys, if you make any Christmas cookies this year, this is the cookie to make. If you bring this to any gathering or get together, at least one person is going to ask you for the recipe. So to begin, we want to mix all of the dry ingredients together and then set this aside. Then we are going to cream together the butter and sugars for about 2 minutes until the mixture is pale and fluffy. Then mix in the 2 eggs one at a time. Now you can add the molasses. And once this mixture is combined, you can gradually add in the dry ingredients that we set aside earlier. Once everything is mixed together, we are going to chill the dough for at least 2 hours or overnight. This will make our dough easier to work with and the right temperature for baking. Once your dough is ready to roll, you can preheat your oven to 350. You are also going to need some sugar in a small dish to roll your cookies in before baking. The size of the cookies are really up to you. If you have a scale, you could weigh them, but that is definitely not necessary. My cookies were about 40 grams each, and that made me 42 cookies. Once you are ready, you can bake them for 8 to 10 minutes until the cookies begin to slightly crack on top. If you let them cool on the pan to room temperature, they will develop more cracks on the top that the classic ginger molasses cookie has. So there you have it, the Starbucks Copycat Ginger Molasses Cookie. As always, the recipe will be below, and I also included a half recipe if you don't feel like making a full 42 cookies. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you try the recipe.